Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video to remind you the steps to take when factoring a quadratic expression with a number in front, with a leading coefficient. So we've previously learned factoring without the number in the front, without the leading coefficient, and then we also learned how to complete a problem when there is a leading coefficient. The steps are a little bit more difficult, so I wanted to just create a little video here to refresh your memory using the slide, divide, bottoms up method. So step one is to slide, which remember means to multiply term A with term C. Then, after we go through our factor puzzle, we divide, and we must reduce any fractions. And if we are left with any fractions, then we must follow the bottoms up method. So here is an example of an expression to factor. If we have 7x squared plus 29x plus 4. So since we can't factor out a greatest common factor, the first thing we do is slide. We're going to slide the 7 and multiply it by the 4. So now our expression is x squared plus 29x plus 28. Then we factor as usual, so we set up our factor puzzle, our x puzzle. So remember that 29b goes on the bottom and 28 goes on the top. So we want to find the numbers that multiply to 28 and also add up to 29 at the same time. So the factors of 28 that add to 29 are going to be 28 and 1. So we rewrite this quadratic expression as x plus 28 and x plus 1 using the terms that we just found. But since we had to slide, now we must divide. So we divide by the 7 since that's the number that we had to slide. So you always divide and slide by the same thing. If you notice, 28 divided by 7 divides nicely into 4. But 1 does not divide by 7, and we can't reduce that even more. So now we must bottoms up. And if you remember my wonderful song, bottoms up, reducing ain't enough. If there's a number on the bottom, you gotta bring it up. So now we have successfully factored 7x squared plus 29x plus 4 as the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of 7x plus 1.